Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will discuss about difference between language and speech. First of all, we will see that speech is a part of language. Without language, there is no concept of speech. But we can make difference between speech and language by three point of views. First one is articulation, second one is fluency, last one is voice. First one is articulation. Articulation means to use articulatory parts to produce speech. In articulatory parts are included our lips, teeth, tongue, volume, larynx, pharynx, and roof of mouth. To use these articulatory parts is called articulation. Language can be produced without use of articulatory parts, but for speech to use articulatory parts is a necessary task. Therefore, articulation is in speech but not in language, because we can make language through use of gestures. Next one is voice. In language, voice is not a necessary element, because language is a means of communication with gestures or written symbols. But in speech, voice is a necessary element. Without voice, there is no concept of speech. And last one is fluency. When we speak a language, our hesitation is affected on our communication or speech, and our experience is also affected on our communication. But when we use a language through gestures, written symbols, our fluency is not affected on our communication. To wind up this topic, it can be said that in language, speech, articulation, in language, speech, in language, articulation, voice, and hesitation is not affected, but in speech, articulation, voice, and last one is fluency are necessary elements.